The 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance motorcycles. Today's feature is the aggressive, track-inspired street fighter, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4. A machine that blends Superbike DNA with naked bike comfort, delivering raw power, advanced electronics, and unmistakable Italian attitude. Design and street fighter presence. The 2026 Tuono V4 carries a bold, muscular design that instantly sets it apart. Unlike fully fared superbikes, this machine embraces a naked street fighter look with sharp bodywork, aerodynamic winglets, and a signature triple LED headlight setup. The upright riding position and wide handlebars make it more comfortable than a traditional sport bike, but don't be fooled, this bike still looks ready to attack the track at any moment. Engine and brutal performance. At the heart of the Tuono V4 lies a monstrous 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, one of the most thrilling engines in the naked bike segment. It produces around 180 horsepower and 121 Newton meters of torque, delivering explosive acceleration and a screaming top-end rush. This V4 engine is derived directly from Aprilia's Superbike platform, meaning you get race-level performance in a more versatile package. The throttle response is sharp, the power delivery is relentless, and the sound is pure adrenaline. Advanced electronics and rider aids. The Tuono V4 is packed with cutting-edge electronics designed to keep all that power under control. It features the APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system, which includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking management, and multiple riding modes. A 6-axis IMU enables cornering ABS and precise stability control, ensuring maximum safety and performance whether you're carving corners or accelerating hard on straights. Chassis and handling precision. Built on a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, the Tuono V4 offers exceptional handling and stability. The suspension setup, fully adjustable Sachs or premium Öhlins factory version, delivers precise feedback and confidence at high speeds. With a wet weight of around 211 kilograms and a well-balanced chassis, the bike feels agile despite its power, making it perfect for both twisty roads and track days. Braking and control. Braking performance is just as impressive as acceleration. The Tuono V4 comes equipped with dual 330mm front discs and Brembo radial calipers, providing strong, consistent stopping power. Combined with cornering ABS, the bike ensures controlled braking even in aggressive riding conditions. Comfort and everyday usability. Despite its superbike roots, the Tuono V4 offers a more relaxed riding position compared to fully fared sport bikes. With a seat height of around 836mm and upright ergonomics, it's surprisingly usable for daily rides. However, this is still a performance-focused machine. It thrives on open roads and twisty corners rather than slow city traffic. Final verdict. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, precision, and passion. It delivers superbike-level performance in a slightly more practical package, making it one of the most exciting naked bikes you can ride today. If you're looking for a machine that offers thrilling acceleration, advanced electronics, and aggressive styling, the Tuono V4 is an absolute beast worth considering.